can't wait for this trip. We've got a few clients who are helping to get onto the real estate ladder out here. So join me on this beautiful adventure to Dubai. We've got Sanjit in the house. Check out this heat. Got the one and only James Sahota in the house. Basically, see what this area is all about. And I'm with the one and only Jamil.
Hello everyone.
This place used to be very transient, where people would come for a few years, make some money and bugger off. This is the future of Dubai, yeah.
Yes, guys, we've just made it to Dubai. I'm with the main man, our chauffeur today, and we're going to JBR. That's where we've booked an Airbnb. Can't wait for this trip. We've got a few clients who are helping to get onto the real estate ladder out here. But as you can see, as soon as you get into Dubai, this ain't for the faint-hearted if you're gonna come in around late June, July. This is the hottest time of the year. Like, the heat is quite, I won't say unbearable, but you know, if you can't handle a lot of heat, then this time is gonna be a little bit difficult. But we're lucky we've actually in a air-conditioned Uber, or this app that we've used today is called Careem. So this is what you see as soon as you get out of Dubai Airport, DBX, and this is actually going to become a cargo airport in the next couple of years because they're opening a brand new airport in the south of Dubai called the Al Maktoum. So join me on this beautiful adventure. We're going to be having meetings in Business Bay, chilling out in Marina, JBR, and also checking out Town Square and maybe some new adventures. It's my third time here in Dubai, and it never seems to surprise me. Not only that, guys, it's actually evolving, it's changing every single time you come here. There's always a new building. You've got Damac, Ellington, Sobha. You've got obviously the ones who built the Burj Khalifa, Imar. How can you leave them out? But honestly, Dubai is doing things differently, and the way it's coming along, I think if you're not invested here, you're going to be left behind quickly. So we've just arrived to our Airbnb at La Ville, and I'm with the one and only Adil. How are you?
I'm very, very good, sir.
Absolutely beautiful driver. Honestly, he told me everything about the journey, what's happening in the local area, and this is what you get with Dubai. You get good people with good energy. No one's stressed out like the UK, so thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
There we
nice
go.
to meet you.
Use the Careem app, guys. Very good. So we just got to the hotel. And actually, look how safe Dubai is. They told me earlier on that they'd leave the door open, and no one's come here since. It's a nice little space. If I wanted to do some cooking, then I've got the facilities to do that. It's quite decent here, nice little lounge. And here's the king size bedroom. Bit of water, little TV here. We've also got a bathroom. Got a washing machine here too, if I feel like doing a bit of washing if I'm here for some time. But fortunately, I've bought enough clothes to last me the whole week because I don't do none of that washing. So we've made it. Let's see what's happening. On top of that, let's have a little look what's outside. And yes, end of June, it is scorching. It's like a heat wave, guys. But this is the view of what you see outside. So we're at the La Ville Airbnb, and as you can see, the views from behind. I've actually got an Uber driver here picking me up, and we're going downtown to see a client of mine where we do visas, new companies, you know, a few of them sort of things that people and clients need. So it's always best to meet these people in person, and here we are. Dubai are very nice and luxurious, and I've got a great driver here. So as we're here in Dubai, it's all about networking and meeting the right people. But I haven't just come here for a holiday. I've actually got clients in the UK who are coming over and they want to find out more about Dubai, and it's my job with my network to link them up with the right people who's going to get them the right stock and make sure that things are done correctly. That doesn't mean it's actually going to cost them more at all. It's not like that. It's about helping each other and help the growth. Check out the views that we're currently in. So there was 3 options for me to book my travel services in terms of getting a car. I could have drove myself, but I don't feel comfortable driving in Dubai. I don't know the rules, the regulations. I could have took an app called Careem, Bolt or Uber, but I'm not gonna lie to you, Uber came out on top. Their prices were just slightly under the rest of them, not by more, but a couple of quid. And yeah, I like to penny pinch, you know, I like to, because I'm going to be using this sort of form of transport everywhere, I'd rather use Uber. So download all 3 apps and see which one's the most cost effective for you guys. Yes guys, so we are in our first location and this is one of our offices here in Dubai, and we do visas, golden visas, your accounts, set up companies, company formations over here. So anybody requiring anything in terms of a company and visas, and here's the main man. We've got Sanjit in the house. Sanjit, let's have a little quick interview. How are you, Sanjit? You okay?
Very good, and yourself?
Yeah, not too bad.
Fantastic.
So what's your main thing that you do over here?
So basically, being a banker, I think the main important thing is to manage money for the clients, whether it's through a vehicle, through a company formation, to reside them over here via visas, or manage their assets in terms of wealth management, estate planning, real estate, all in all, holistic.
Amazing. So what are the current rough fees if someone wants to open, you know, a bank account, get a visa and a company set up? Roughly in UK pounds, how much would that be to set up?
Maximum all in, like I'm not getting in deeper, like maybe 6,000-7,000 pounds. All in.
Amazing. Love that. And how long have you been in Dubai and doing business?
So 2 decades.
2 decades.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're not dealing with Mickey Mouse people here, we're dealing with the real deal. And as you get deeper into the development sort of side, you also deal with land acquirement and construction.
Not only land acquirement, we deal with all the distressed lands, which makes more sense in terms of a ROI perspective, and depends on the client whether they want to make it only commercial or mixed or residential. All are beneficial if caught at the right time.
Amazing. Look at that. Under market value properties, repossessions. They're also happening here in Dubai. You know, wherever you are in the country or the world, there's always deals to be had, but it's all about your network. So if you want to be part of this network, drop us a little comment. Let me know you want to speak to Sanjit and let's get you linked up and yeah, get you doing some business over here. Peace.
Thank you.
Finished our meeting out here with Sanjit for the visas and all of the company formations, right structures. We're now actually gonna meet the one and only James Sahota. Let's see where he's at. Come on, where are you, James? Let's have a quick little look. Yes, so check out this heat and check out all of this developments. To our right hand side, everything's going on. And whoever we got the one and only James Sahota in the house.
Get that, bro.
How you doing, man?
Good to see you, bro. Good to see you.
I want the live reaction, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's always good to see this guy. So we are in day 3 in Dubs and we are at Nshama, and we've currently got quite a few people who we're going to be doing a presentation for. So this is going to be really, really exciting, and we're going to basically see what this area is all about.
I'll show you this software that we use called Genie. Subscribe to this software, guys, and what it shows you is it shows you the number of developments going on in Dubai right now, and you can see there's a shit ton. Right? There's a lot of stuff going on. Now, not all of it's good. Some of it is pretty rubbish, but some of the prime stock and prime developers always build good stuff. This is the future of Dubai. This is the future of Dubai, yeah.
Bro, that building looks quite tall.
That's some Burgy.
Oh, is it, mate? Is that what it is?
That's Business Bay round the Burge.
Yes, guys. We are on day number 4 in Dubai and we're just riding around. You can see the Burj over there. Absolutely lovely, stunning sights. Do you know what? I'm actually really cold. Even though it's over 30, the AC is way too cold here. But I'm with the one and only Mr. Jimbo, James Sahota. What are you saying, James?
I'm good, brother. Very good. Thank you very much for asking. Yeah, it's 40 degrees, not 30 degrees.
Yeah, man. Riding around. Where are we off to?
Off to Sobha.
Sobha, what we looking at? What is it? A new development? Is it pre-existing?
Exploring Senia Island. A lot of the UK guys have been investing in Senia Island. In fact, I think half of the world's been investing in Senia Island because it's something really exciting and new.
And I've also got North London's top estate agency, and I'm with the one and only Jamil.
Haha, hello everyone. I'm with the celebrities today, Mr. James Sahota and Sean Land. Could not be more privileged.
Honestly, it's such a pleasure to meet you, Jamil, because we linked up at Mipin in France, and ever since then, you've been letting me come to all of your sites. You've been allowing me to vlog a lot of stuff, and honestly, your hospitality is like none other. Like, where does that come from?
It's what you give off, Sean. You make me want to show you the love.
So, what are you doing in Dubai?
I've come out with you, meet your network, see what's happening in Dubai. Can't be with anyone better than James to show us where to invest, what's happening. And yeah, we're right now on the way to go and see the Sobha site.
What don't you like about Dubai?
You know what? It's a hard question. You know when someone goes to you, what don't you like about Dubai? I would say, if anything, the heat. Yeah. But that's probably the only thing you could say.
Yes. What's the biggest change, James, that you've seen over the last 4 years being here?
The 1,000 people that are arriving here every single day. And I think the second biggest change I've seen is this place used to be very transient, where people would come for a few years, make some money and bugger off. Now when I'm speaking to people, especially families, they're selling all of their assets. They're selling their homes back home and coming here and saying, that's it, this is home now, we're not going back. That's the biggest change I've seen over the last 2 years, in fact.
So me and Sean are at Sobha.
You influencer right
Do you know
here
what I
to build
mean?
the house.
Yeah.
Here we go. Come on, let's go inside Sobha.
Let's go now.
So excluding Abu Dhabi, which has a lot of natural islands here, in 6 Emirates, the only natural island that is beside the shoreline is Senia Island. We are talking about 137 kilometer shoreline, okay? I always compare this island like to 2 islands that are in Dubai, but they're man-made. This is natural, they are man-made.